Started. Would you mind introduce yourself, please?
My name is Patrick Zahnow. I'm working in Arcondis nearly 15 years now. I'm working in the life science industry since 25 years. And all
Wow.
this time I had to do with quality management.
A real expert.
Yes.
In a couple sentences, what exactly is quality management?
Quality management is a broad area. So in general, it's about planning and managing the quality standards in an organization. This is often done with the so-called quality management system, where you deal with different processes, of course, with the quality relevant processes. And therefore, document management is one of the most important things, because at the end, what is not documented is not done. And this is
Okay,
one slogan you will find very often in the life science industry.
interesting. Since I am just starting out in this topic, what are three key things that I should consider?
If you would build up a QMS, the first place, of course, so when you start something, that means you need to understand your organization, meaning how is your operational model, what processes do you have in your organization, and which one of them are quality relevant. And of course, then identify those persons who are responsible for those processes, because you need to work with them.
What are some recurring problems that you see in quality management, and how do you or Arcondis try to help with those issues?
I think there are, of course, plenty of them. They are different from the point of views. So if you're a quality professional, you have maybe other things where you struggle than the persons working with the quality management team,
Right, of
right?
course.
Because the quality professionals often need to enforce their aspects. So, and their, as said, viewpoints, we need to work together with all the responsible. So it's often a struggle in there. So you need to have somebody who helps you to communicate. So the OCM, which comes up nowadays, is very important, because you need to tell everybody your story, right? So this is something where professional help is very important in quality management, to bring out your story. Another thing is that quality professionals often are in their area, so they are looking on quality management subjects. They are more focused on the topic than giving the project a life, so they are not looking maybe on timelines and so on, looking that everybody delivers. So project management, besides this general subject topic, right?
Yeah.
So the general content part is something where it often happens that this is done like it's stepchild, right? So something which is not the major aspect of quality management. Working together with other people to get the thing done is very helpful and often forgotten. And there you can see as well, when I'm talking about the subject, and quality professionals tend to use their quality language, right? And business
Mm.
people tend to use their business language. Arcondis, as an example, helps to translate in between.
How does quality management help clients become more sustainable?
Yeah, sustainability. So from quality management perspective, if you set up your processes in a way that they are efficient and effective, for sure you reduce waste as well. So coming to operational excellence and how to set up processes. So in this way as well, it's how to deal with processes and therefore reducing waste. And you can use this as a general principle for every process, and as well for sustainability processes, right?
Amazing.
So it's often that sustainability teams work together with the quality teams,
Mm.
because at the end, how they set up everything is in the same direction, right? So quality management can give structures to deal with those topics as well.
Amazing. I mean, that's really hopeful. It's good to know.
Yes.
Okay, last question. Since I am, trying to get into the field of quality management, what should be my next steps? What are some things that I should do, explore, focus on, learn about?
Learn about standards, of course. Yeah, it depends on in which industry you are. It depends what are your focuses. So deal with the standard, learn about the standard, and when you are digging then into the topic, you will see, as mentioned in the beginning, what is QMS or QM about, right? So you need to see what the organization is doing, and therefore then setting quality objectives. So what do you want to achieve by having this quality management implemented in your company, right? What are your goals? And they need to align, of course, with the company goals, right? So I think this is one of the first steps you need to do, besides, of course, setting up a structure if there isn't any.
Thank you so much, Patrick.